The following how-to video applies to specific models and trim levels. Please take a moment to confirm this video applies to your Subaru. Your Subaru has a voice recognition system, so you can perform more tasks hands-free and focus on driving. Voice recognition lets you control the following features when equipped: hands-free phone operation, automatic climate control, built-in TomTom navigation, the radio, and other media features. To use voice recognition in your Subaru, first press the talk button on your steering wheel until you hear the confirmation beep. Now, just speak naturally and say recognized commands like,
"Call Mom."
Calling Mom Mobile.
Set the temperature to 72 degrees.
Okay, setting temperature to 72.
The voice recognition system will only respond to recognized commands. You can press the talk button at any time and say,
"Help,"
to get a list of options. Or you can review the full list of recognized commands in the Subaru STARLINK Owner's Manual. To cancel your most recent command, press the X on the screen, or press and hold the talk button again.
Canceling.
You can adjust the volume of the voice command replies with either the knob or the volume switches on the steering wheel while voice recognition is activated. Voice recognition cannot be used in conjunction with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and ambient noise like wind or passenger conversation can interfere with the voice recognition system. Speaking recognized commands clearly is the most effective way to use voice recognition to safely get the most out of the features of your Subaru.
Tune to 90.9 FM.
Tuning to 90.9 FM.